Come on, man. Oh God. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I thought like I'm going live, but okay. Sorry about that, guys. I thought like was live, but OBS got locked off. So I thought I'm live, but it wasn't live. So sorry about that. I was talking to myself for a few minutes now. So yeah, I forgot to hit the start streaming, guys. That's why I didn't see that I'm live. I wasn't live, so I was talking to myself. Anyway, so we are live for today. Remember, guys, we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open. And remember, our content here for education purposes, and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let's get right to it, guys. And of course, start our hunt for today. So first of all, we got TERN testing our major resistance around the $14 and MSBR. Those the top stocks to watch for today, guys. TERN and MSBR. TERN have a huge news, which is a biotech company, and also positive data for their cardinal trial. Holy baloney. A huge, good, positive trial result for TERN. That's why we have a ballistic jump. And MSBR, the same. We have a nice jump for it. I think, yeah, today, early in pre-market, we reverse again around 1 p.m. from our support that we discussed early on our Discord here, guys. We did it on our pre-market here, and we did it on pre-market watch list. As you can see here, MSBR, I think, yes, MSBR was really great for today because it started to reverse on the 38. 38 and then reverse up, and now we watching for another jump for it. So MSBR and TRN is number one. Abhi, plan work. Brother, if you want to have early update, you can join our Discord Patreon. We always update early before the live streaming, brother. Okay, so if you want to have early preparation, join our Discord, brother. You can have early watch lists for update for entry and exit for stocks. Is better than a video or even live streaming because in our Discord we always discuss the stocks that we watching and trading for entry and exit, like what we did before here. All those charts we do it before the market open. MSCI was on Friday, as you see here. All the stocks we do the chart for them before, like almost 2 hours before the market open, brother. So here's the link to our community, brother, if you want to join. And in the meantime, Amazon have a great news. What's the news, Santush? What else? We got huge, humongous news for Amazon. And TGE, and I think we got a question here from Emoji Trader about TGE levels. For TGE, brother, we got a huge reversal from the huge dump last Friday. The resistance for it right now at the market open that we should break is around $1.29. Current profit taken after that 147, 169. Current support that we should hold at the market open is the $1.05. And bottom it is around the 80 cent. This is for TGE. AREC pulling back, 550 is the resistance. And TRN, guys, TERN is the one, guys. It broke the resistance right now, 1383. So, guys, I'm watching only TERN. The rest is kind of not good for me. TERN is the keeper. Is not one nice stand stock. It is a keeper, guys. We have to marry this stock. Let's go. Let's go. So TERN, guys, is the one. Let us check Amazon very quick. I think we have huge earnings. Yeah, and another jump. So we have twice the jump, guys. Holy baloney. And the news for Amazon, Amazon cloud units saw 20% revenue growth last quarter. Positive earning forecast played the key role in boosting Wall Street main stocks index. Holy baloney. Look at that, guys. Another big buyer for Amazon. Amazon, I think, hitting 4 trillion or 2 trillion, almost 3 trillion market cap. Anyway, so TERN, guys, did a huge jump before the market opened. So this is the main list, the main stock on our list for today. Let's go, guys. TERN, it is the one to watch for today at the market open. But I expect a pullback because it's kind of overextended. We might go back toward the 1270 for a correction at the market open. If we held the 12 or the 1370 would be great for another jump up, but it's better to take a little bit profit from it before the market open. We got a few minutes here before the market open, so I expect a pullback here. So I might take a bit of profit before the market open for TERN because we expect a pullback right there. Pullback, 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 pullback. Come on. Okay, so the market is open, guys. Let's get right to it. TERN trying right now. TERN trying to go up. Yeah, so I'm gonna adjust the resistance here around the 1525. Yeah, 1525. Okay, 1525. Okay, so TERN pulling back, as we said, guys, it's better to take profit before the market open because we expect a pullback around the $10. MSBR pulling back up, AREC pulling back down, HKD nothing much, open nothing much. I will watch this one closely, guys. TERN holding the gain. I will put another support for TERN just over the 1283. Yeah, 1283 should be a good support here. Be careful, guys. MSBR, this one set to close only. It's just for close only for this stock, guys. Nothing much happening. So we can't actually buy it. Yeah, buy MSBR recovery, trading limited, guys. This is only for close. If you live in Europe, of course, but if you live in the United States, it's okay. So TERN is the only one that look fantastic for today. The rest is history, at least for now. Yeah, TERN, guys, looking fantastic here for another jump up. I will check rain in a bit. MSBR is about to break here. MSBR is about to break, guys. Or it is breaking. Yeah, MSBR breaking. So now it is about to break a new level here around 87. Yes, the 87, it is the level that we should break. Now we have the 61 to hold. TERN, guys, the 1525 is still currently the resistant. Let's see. ARAC, I'm going to take it from the list. I don't like it. MSAI jumping up. TGE jumping up. HKD, take it from the list. Beyond Meat is pulling back a lot today with, yeah, this one. So I'm going to keep those one. TGE and MSAI is a maybe, but the main one is MSBR, which we don't have it on our trading. We could actually trade it because it's just for close only. MSBR holding the 61. Let's us collect and see the main stocks for today. Yes, we got another one. THAR looking fantastic here. It's just coiling back down to correct from the support. It look interesting, this one, yes. So I'm gonna adjust this. Okay, I'm gonna add this one to the list, guys. THAR. RHLD, nope. TERN looking great. PHIO. Yeah, this one looking great. Some of you asked me about this early on in the pre-market. Okay, let me just add those stocks. PHIO and the other one THAR. What else? CIFR. Yes, I think some of you asked me about this one as well. Looking not bad for today. Let us just check those stocks first. TERN, guys, is about to break here, the 1525. As long as we hold the 1283 would be great for today. PHIO pulling back from the current resistance, 475. It pulled back toward the support now. We have a strong support for it around the 312. This is could be the good support that we should hold for today. I'm gonna adjust the current support for it. We got 3 supports that we should watch for PHIO. THAR current resistance 740, and now it's pulling back to our current support over the 492. Yeah, this one is pulling back. It might reverse. And CIFR, we have a breakout from the 2220. Wow, this one going to all-time high, guys, around the 24. But the breakout already happened around the 2220. This one I will watch for the psychological level around almost $30. For now, yeah, it looked fantastic because it broke from the 20 to 20. Because of really good earnings, yes. This one, market cap 8, earnings today pre-market. What a huge earnings, 27%. Fantastic earnings. Yeah, CIFR, guys, looking great, and it's breaking a new resistance right now. Yes, it's breaking new resistance around the 2390. 30% because of a huge earnings, guys. 75% suppress. Yeah, almost in positive. Yeah, CIFR looking great. TGE or TGE just got shorted around this resistance, the 129. MSAI not ready yet. Yeah, MSBR is going toward the 87. TERN didn't break yet. So TERN, I'm gonna keep it first. After that, MSBR. After that, CIFR, I think is not a unicorn, but yeah. I'm gonna keep those 3 on the top list. Okay, let's see. We got a question here. Poet. Etrise ask about poet. 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 What's going on with this one? 9%. We got. Let's see. We got a strong buyer around. Yeah, we got a strong buyer around the 670. This is the current first support. Now it's 10%. The other current support it is, if we have unusual sell-off, is the $6 and the 535. Current target or resistant that we might test, it is around the 768. Okay, and current profit taking, we have two. The first one should be around the 849, then the 950. But now watch out for this current resistance, brother, because we might test it and pull back down, which is the $7.72. This is for Poet. TERN didn't break yet, guys. MSBR didn't break yet. Yeah, THAR pulling back down. This one trying to coil up toward the main squeeze zone around the 475. If we hold the 3.12, it might be great to watch. I'm gonna put a resistance for this one around 390. Yeah, this is the current resistance for it. TERN is pulling back a bit. MSBR is about to break the 86, which is the squeeze zone. Amazon, yes, have a huge resistance just around the 260. Uber and Lyft have earnings coming up this week, guys. Reddit is coiling back down, correcting after a major earnings. MSTR, eBay starts to reverse a little bit, guys, from big sell-off that happened after the earnings. Let's check cryptos. Ethereum currently holding the 3066, which is the bottom. Okay, TERN didn't break yet. Let us see the top gainers again. RHLD, PHIO is about to break. This one broke the support. I'm gonna double check the stock that's been halted for today. Okay, let us check those stocks. NOMA, CURR, ATTR. Okay, we got a lot of stocks been halted, guys, for today. Okay, I'm gonna check those. Before I check those stocks, I'm gonna check the comment section or the live chat section. Good afternoon, John. How you doing, brother? Okay, so let's see. Great. I will check rain in a bit. Let's see. I'm gonna check rain a little bit fast here. 3%, not my cup of tea, is not that good. It's not a unicorn, brother. However, I think it's have earnings coming up today, maybe. But the chart, I don't like it that much. In the big picture, which we should bother ourselves with because this one is not a unicorn. We got a major seller around the 248 and squeeze zone, of course. Bottom is the 46. For now, after the earnings, we should have a base support to hold, even if we have bad earnings over the 87, and squeeze from this chart up over the 200. But for now, yes, we got other level to watch out for, which is the 192. This one would be the turning point, from my opinion, for the stock to go toward the 250, which is the 192. Now it's around the 138. ATTR, guys, is a new IPO stock. which is dead in volume, so I'm gonna pass. And OMA halted down, so and halted up now. It's not my cup of tea. So the main ones still, guys, TERN, MSBR, TGE, THAR. I will take it from the list. I think it's halted down. Yeah, for now, I think the main one to watch is TERN and PHIO. Yeah, PHIO is about to break the 390 and TERN still below the breakout zone and squeeze around the 1525. Those two looking fantastic from my opinion to watch for today. Um, Ronnie. Did I check Ronnie? Yeah, Ronnie looking all right if it broke this current resistance, brother, around the 780. 780 should be a good resistance to break, and current support to hold is over the $2 or around the 197. If we held the 197, break the 280, we're gonna have a nice jump toward let's see how much we can do if we broke. Yeah, at least here would be great profit taken around the $3.30, after that the 389, and then the 474. Only if we broke the $2.80. So Rani is not bad. I'm gonna keep it on the other list. Taking mini stocks from the list that didn't break and physically weak. Leaving a bit of room for the other stocks. Okay, nothing much change here. TGE, guys, I don't like what's happened here because before the market open, we have a test, or after the market open by a few minutes, we test the 130 and we don't break. So this is leave us with TERN and PHIO, guys. One of the top stocks to watch right now, PHIO. Okay, PHIO, guys, is breaking out. It might be good to watch right now, guys. PHIO doing fantastic. We got a seller for PHIO now around the 475 that we should break. TERN is preparing, guys, for a breakout here around the 1525. We might get halted. MSBR is pulling back toward the support. So we have a nice bounce here. So the only one that I'm watching and trading is Yeah, TERN and PHIO. The rest is history. And TGE is still okay. Not completely okay, but at least there's a chance for a nice jump up. TERN levels. 1525 is the current resistant zone. Watch out for this breakout. Current support already reversed from at the market open, a 1283. And first profit is 1726. This is the only one that looked great with PHIO and maybe TGE. But yeah, number one is TERN. Yeah, number one stock for today. 3 million. I'm surprised that we have only 3 million for this one. Usually is 10 or more. BQ is coming to scan. BQ. BQ 20% up, but it's not my cup of tea, everybody. So yeah, TERN. This is leave us only with TERN. Yeah, BQ, but now is too dangerous, brother. BQ, too dangerous to trade. It was always too dangerous to trade. The time that you asked me about it, the time that got halted almost 10 times and went up every time, get halted up until the 77, but it's not tradable, brother. It's kind of gambling truck stock, because if a stock trade like every second get halted, how tell me how you could trade it without managing your risk? You can't manage your risk with stock like that, man. Those kind of stocks you can gamble with. You just put 1,000. If you lost all of your money, doesn't care. If you gain money, you can gain like 5x your money. So you make either 5,000 or you lose 1,000. Okay, I will tell you this is a good strategy. Even though is for a lot of people 1,000 is a lot. But if you have 100,000, you risk just 1% is okay. But if this is the only 1,000 you have, I will tell you is risk $10 from the 1,000, which is 1% of 1,000. So if you put $10, even if the stock 1,000x will, it will make you no money. But yeah, $100 or $1,000. You don't have to risk more unless you have 1 million, so you could risk 10,000. So it depends on how much your money you're willing to risk. Anyway, TRN guys is still currently breaking out now. Yes, the 1525, but this is just a test, guys. We might have a kind of fake out. We need to hold over the 1525 to confirm this breakout. But it's the only one, guys, because TGE right now tested again the level of the resistance, the 129, and got shorted. So technically, we only have TERN that might give us a nice action for today. The rest is not that good. Yeah, TERN still trying to break, man. He tries. You are welcome. TERN, guys, we need to hold over the 1528. Still not decided yet here. We don't have a clean breakout because the market is a bit weak, man. You see, MSBR got halted down, guys, and now it's getting near the 50 cent support. So we have a major pullback from this stock, as you see here. Even TRN is pulling back from the resistance. So yeah, the only one that looked great is TRN, and still is not clean breakout here. So it is a bit risky here, guys. Just a bit risky. Yeah, it is a bit risky play. Let's see. Let's go to TERN. Yeah, TERN, guys, currently holding the gains here around the 1530. Yeah, if we held over the 14 would be great. Now 1524. Yeah, still, wow, currently just below the breakout for TERN. Yeah, now we might have a breakout for TERN. This is it. TRN trying, guys. PHIO, nope. And TRN, yes, doing fantastic here. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna adjust the support for it just right there. 1453, guys, watch out for this support because this is will be early warning sign for a flush. But if we held this, mean we have the 1726. Now 85%. The volume is picking up from the 3 million now is almost 10 million. Not bad. And TERN 1580 is the top level to break and go toward the 17. Okay, it's better to exit from this one. It's a bit risky here. Yeah, it's a bit risky play. Yeah, TERN is a bit dangerous. It's better to exit, guys, from this play for now. Yeah, it's better to exit and wait for a pullback at least. We have two levels to watch out for. Yes, here around 13 or almost 14, and the second is around here. Yeah, for now is a bit undecided. TARN is undecided. Yeah, now we might have a pullback. So those three stocks, guys, we're gonna update you later on about them on our Discord and Bitcoin. Even MSBR, it might be great to do a major update for it. So we only have four stocks. We might add another stocks later on this majestic list on our Discord. We're gonna do the update, if you don't know, guys, on our Discord and Bitcoin. And again, guys, some of you said that we should go early on the live streaming. We always go early. We do a lot of update twice in our Discord and Bitcoin. So if you want to have an update early before even 9 a.m. Eastern time, you can join our Discord. The link comes section below, guys, for the most active stock before even we go live here, because here we go live a bit late, but we always go early we do video and updated charts for main stocks that we trading for today, for the main event, and how like the support, resistance, and all of the preparation that you need to watch out for before the market open. If you think it is late around 9 a.m., of course, you can join our Discord and Patreon. The link comes section below. In the meantime, guys, we're gonna do this update later on Discord and Patreon a few minutes later to update the levels and update the levels for cryptos as well, because crypto market is going down big time, man. So there's a chance to buy the dip, for my opinion, for the next other dip. As you can see here, 4% for Ethereum, Bitcoin is almost 3%. Oh, so in the meantime, thank you for watching, guys, and see you all back by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you back by tomorrow.